Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, first, I will take you through the headlines of the day. Asian markets and US stock futures are trading in green. Singapore Nifty is trading flat. US Fed chief to talk at Jackson Hole Symposium tonight about tapering. Timeliness to be seen, and oil at 71.47. 10 new scripts coming in futures today. Canfin Home Finance, Dixon Technologies, Hindustan Aeronautics, India Energy Exchange, India Mart, Ipca Laboratories, MCX, Polycap, and Syngene. So these are the stocks which are going to get included in the FNO segment, and we are going to see some action in these stocks. That's the trend that we saw in the past. SEBI gives nod for Go Air IPO, Britannia in focus, BBTC as well as Bombay Dyeing. Madras High Court makes 5-year bumper-to-bumper insurance must for new vehicles in Tamil Nadu. Insurance stocks will benefit out of this particular news flow. Dow Jones Futures is trading some 50-60 points higher, and next US Fed meeting scheduled on September 22nd. The Nifty remained in a narrow trading range of 16,600 and 16,700 on Thursday due to the major event of the Jackson Hole meeting in the US. It is keeping traders cautious and aside the outcome of the event. Till the market is going to face this particular event, we are going to see range bound sort of activity in the market. And whenever we face such type of major events, we see market remains in a specific range. So in the coming week, if we see the market is crossing 16,750, then we can expect trending activity on the upward side, and on the downside 16,350 is the level. Below that we can expect further more decline. So now from here onwards, for the next week and for next few days, 16,750, 16,350 would act as major support and resistance for the market. Until then, we would see stock specific activity in the market. Focus should be on new stocks that have added in the FNO segment. NBFC's consumption related stocks should be in focus. We like Jubilant Food, McDowell, DMart, OFSS based on their technical formation. We also like Mahindra & Mahindra Finance as well as AU Small Bank. So basically today we are going to focus on those stocks which are not parallel to the movement in the index. So we need to focus on mid cap and small cap companies in today's date. That's all from my side, and with this I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.